In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect a profile on Sprout Social. Whether you're encountering issues with your social media management or just need to update some settings, reconnecting your profile can be a straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to head over to the Sprout Social website. It's a hub for social media management solutions designed to help businesses grow and manage their online presence effectively. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's usually positioned prominently on the page, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. Clicking on Login will lead you to the login page. Here you'll need to enter your credentials. That includes your email address and password associated with your Sprout Social account. Make sure to enter these details correctly to avoid any access issues. After you have successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your mission control for everything you do on Sprout Social. It gives you a quick overview of your account's activity, notifications, and more. From here, you'll want to navigate to the settings area of your account. This can usually be found by clicking on Account and Settings. Within the settings, you'll see an option for groups and social profiles. This section is critical for managing your connections to various social media platforms. Once you click on it, you'll find the Connect a Profile button. This is where the magic happens. Click on Connect a Profile and you'll see a list of social media platforms that Sprout Social supports. Select the profile you need to reconnect. In this example, let's say you're reconnecting a Twitter account. Once you've chosen Twitter, you'll proceed by clicking on the Connect button next to it. Next, you'll be directed to a page where you can choose what type of Twitter account you want to connect. It could be a personal profile, a business page, or another type depending on the specifics of your account. After making your selection, you proceed by clicking on Connect Profile. Now here comes a crucial part. You'll be redirected to a page hosted by the social media platform you're reconnecting. In this case, Twitter. Here you'll need to authorize Sprout Social to access your account. Look for the Authorize App button and click on it. This step is vital as it grants Sprout Social permission to manage your account. Once you've authorized the connection, you'll be redirected back to Sprout Social. Now you'll want to make sure to save any changes. Look for the Save Changes option and click on it. This step ensures that all your reconnection efforts are applied and saved correctly within your Sprout Social account. And voila! You've successfully reconnected your profile on Sprout Social. But before you go back to your dashboard and continue with your social media management, here's a couple of quick tips. Always ensure your browser is up to date to avoid any compatibility issues during this process. Also, if you encounter any errors or issues along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to Sprout Social support team. They're there to help you navigate any challenges you might face. Reconnecting a profile on Sprout Social is an important skill, ensuring your social media management efforts run smoothly without any hiccups. Whether it's because of password changes, updated app permissions, or just a routine check to ensure everything is functioning as it should, this process is something every social media manager should be familiar with. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember, staying connected and up to date with your social media profiles is key to effective online presence management. Now, with your profiles reconnected, you're all set to continue driving engagement, growing your audience, and building your brand on social media. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy social media managing!